In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install new sliding bolts into an old aluminum storm window pane. Start first by holding the sliding bolt upside down to expose the open channel. Next, make sure that your window pane itself is upside down to expose the lock hole. Begin by carefully sliding in the sliding bolt part way, and then grab the rocker stone. You want to make sure that the fine point of the rocker stone is pointing outwards. Slide that into the channel part way, and then grab for your sliding bolt spring. Carefully insert that into the open channel, and then carefully slide the whole apparatus inside until the rocking stone pops up into the locking hole. Now all there's left to do is to test out the sliding bolt function. There we go, it's fixed.